So it's another Saturday morning, and I welcome you to this episode of NG Update. So in this episode, I'm going to bring you updates on the Kantamanto incident. This morning, the Vice President-elect, Jinano Opoku-Agyeman, has visited the place. And also yesterday, Chinese men took excavators to the place. I'm going to bring you the full details on that, what happened to those Chinese men. So up and coming artists be as the place got bent on. I say a hot no need shooting a music video where it has generated a lot of conversations on the socials. Then again, the traders now they lost their containers, shops, monies, and items. As I'm speaking to you, almost starting new structures on the land. And we are going to see that. But before we will dive inside today's episode, as usual, if today is your first time here, you can support us by subscribing and also sharing this video. That is the only way you can support us. So my name is Nadia Goody. Now let's come inside the episode or the story. So on the 2nd of January 2025, according to information, the fire started around 1 a.m. at dawn. And I don't understand why all the time fire not started at dawn and started daytime that and started night that always at dawn 1 a.m. So 1 a.m. the fire started, but according to the traders, this time around fire ain't normal. They feel like some political party be either MPP or NDC and behind that fire. As I'm speaking to you, the Kantamanto, the whole place is burned into ashes. The only thing I will call Kantamanto will be land. You won't see anything again. Watch some videos. The Vice President-elect, the first female Vice President-elect, Jinano Opoku-Agyeman, or say now I have to go to the place and console or sympathize with my fellow women. So this morning, we saw the Vice President-elect Jinano Opoku-Agyeman at Kantamanto. Watch the video. Moving from Nana Opoku-Agyeman, young called this Chinese men. So a place that has got burnt in less than 3 days. These Chinese men at the excavators abaland and swa omobabe start to work. So this means that what the traders were saying, say, this particular outbreak, it could be some political party be an entirety. It's either NDC for an entirety and as a MB4 an entirety. It is true. Because a place that has got burnt in less than 3 days, what the Chinese for abaho with excavators. So the traders say, this time around, so this is what they did to them. They sacked them. They didn't beat them actually, but they sacked them. They said they won't allow them to use those excavators on the land. Watch the video.
And me de mianka sameni ekwohwe ejana ahye Kantamanto no na arehosem ne se ye koye na bibia ahye na nkrofo a omo nneoma ahye omo ye ma ahye omo twejadwa no Chinese fo ye omo video mu e de excavator ekosi kwan no se omo ba bedwiri bebi a honom na ahye no anokre nsuo bo a kase bo omo furo omo no omo toto nneoma bo omo ena omo kasenka osanko muja na omo de ka ne bam nanka omo nhye omo ina mfraka no. What I say?
Moving from this Chinese men, a young call this up and coming artist. So the same day now, the place got bent. This guy went there to shoot his music video. Watch the video.
Oh my God.
2020, what we dey pray say things be good. We've been on this journey, get choo. Me no fit to kill person, so me killing this ego. Me ready to start this from the ground floor. Hey, yeah. Happy New Year, my guy. Things no they go on, no, my guy. But we dey inside, oh. We dey inside, oh. Since the change is changing, we dey present this change. No dey touch we, cause we need this blessings, oh. More blessings, oh. Since the change is changing, we dey present.
So as I'm speaking to you right now, no, the traders have started a new structure. A new building, but as a wooden structure. Omo the wood in dua esisiwa, according to them, no. Omo ebebo canopy to start afresh, and they will use canopy. So right now, no, I'm starting new structures.
It's a government so bad they say, yeah, Obi will say, Obi and say, and for the time in India, wooden structures in India, no one a person. What I say, and one a person. To us in the feel say a bocanupi. What I say, you wouldn't say a bocanupi near a Juma. Justice.
So this is the update that is coming from Kantamanto incident, and I don't know, structure normal starting on. These people should just leave the land for them, because it could be somebody to me as more. Because so far as they've sent people, Chinese people, to come there with excavators, and so it means say it was an agenda to take over the land, and that is the only way they can use to burn everything. So putting up those structures, me, I feel say it is not the right something. They are just wasting their time, because in the next 2-3 years they will come and burn everything again. So they should just leave the place and go and find some, like, I'm gonna copy baby for. What do you also think about this situation? Let me know in the comment section. So if you haven't been to Kantamanto, try and pass by. Try and go there. Go and watch the place with your naked eyes, and you understand what we are talking about. If you haven't been there, go and pass by and you see. So ladies and gentlemen, as usual, thank you for watching. I don't know how you feel about this situation. You can drop your comments. Thank you for watching. My name is Nadia Goody. I'm going to come your way again with another episode.